Alright, part 2 of Oduwa Pay referral link. Again, it's www.oduwapay.com. So this is what the interface looks like. So this system is designed to reward each investor. First, direct referral will go back to the investor. Each investor gets 15% of the total amount their friends or family buy. So let's go through an example. So you have a left link and you have a right link. Well, what you do is you just copy this link, open new window, and paste. And look at that, it comes right up. So your friend will click on that link, you send them, and your introducer's ID will come up. Here's mine, left position. They will fill out this information, their desired account ID, their full name, first and last, email, prospective country, must select, right, and so forth. For the non-English speaking folks, here's a language to help yourself. Okay. Alright. So that's that. And you'll do same thing on your right link. They'll just copy, send it to your friend, and they'll open it, and this is what will come up. Your own website for the right position. Your introducer ID will be here. Again, they'll fill out the same information. This other person, their username, first, last name, and so forth. Okay, so let's say you have your left link individual registered and you have your right link individual registered. It will automatically pop up right over here. See? Right over here. See? I have 10. It'll pop up right here. How do you see your details of your team? You go to the left side of the dashboard, go under team details, expand the window, look at there's my referrals, team tree, and here's my team tree. So again, your direct deposit will be 15%. So for instance, you'll get Mikhail, whatever she bought, I'll get 15%. Whatever he buys, I get 15%. Then whatever he buys he get 15% and I get 2%, and so forth. Only 15% on the direct referral you'll get, and the rest is 2%. It goes down to 5 layers, I believe. That's our reward program for you, as an investor. You get 15% of your direct deposit back to you, and then down 4 more layers. 2, 3, 4, and 1 more layer. Anybody that gets in, you get back 2% back to you. 5 layers is the depth. Just to say thank you for believing in Oduwa, and we're gonna reward you. That's the company giving back to you. Okay, so that's how the affiliate links work. You just copy and send it to them, and they'll open as you saw. Okay. And bonuses will start accumulating. You can do another video on that. Withdraw, right? Common sense, and then support. Any technical questions, payment questions, you can contact support by creating a new ticket. Topic, inquiries, account, other. You play around with it, familiarize yourself. Okay, that's support. Back to dashboard. Alright. So, how to buy Oduwa. Alright. So, you are all registered and you want to help out the company by investing in Oduwa. You decide to do $1,000, let's just say. You go to bid right here. This is the price, right? And this is what it shows. You go to $1,000. It'll take you to coin payments, okay? That's the third-party system we work with. So $1,000 right there. That's fine. And you can pay that with cryptocurrencies, which we have right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Neo, Dash, and we're adding other major cryptocurrencies. Or if you're new to the cryptocurrency revolution and you don't have any cryptocurrency yet, you can just use PayPal. Good old PayPal. That takes 5 business days to process the payment. Too slow for all of us cryptocurrency folks. And then once you have PayPal, you will log in, and the payment will be from Babar. Okay, just remember it's from Babar. So don't panic. This is our entity that we work with that has a PayPal account set up. You'll get a notification from Coin Payments in your email. Okay, and it'll take up to 5 business days for it to process because it's PayPal, it's slow. So that's how you purchase Oduwa. You just click bid, and remember, minimum is $100. So again, I'll show you. You go bid, take it to Coin Payments, click on here. Look, minimum is $100, price is $98.58. So let's change that to 50. In this case, current price is, here we go. Now we meet minimum standards, $100. Now you can purchase. Okay, but just remember, make sure it's $100 minimum. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so we went over how to register your family and friends by sharing your left leg and your right leg. You just copy and you send it to them, and they'll register, and your referrals come right up here. Okay, on their end, user ID will be here, and so forth. And that's it, my friends. Happy networking.